Mr. David's first grade class, Go Distance Dolphins. I think fitness is important because it helps you get stronger every day. I like doing a lot of things to stay fit and get stronger. I like to do yoga. I like going for laps around my neighborhood. I like playing soccer.